Introduction. This unit is about community, kindness, friendship, and the power of words. It explains how people can help each other during difficult times. The text talks about the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami and how brave people worked together to save lives. A girl named Tilly Smith saved many people because she learned about tsunamis at school. The unit also explains that kind and powerful words can change people's lives. Different proverbs from Madagascar and Turkey teach that words can spread quickly and kindness can solve problems. The poem Finding a Friend by Janae Clark describes a child who feels lonely in a new school but becomes happy after making a friend. Summary. The unit begins with a poem by the Thai poet Khuniang Chamnongsri Rutnan. The poem was read at a memorial service on 26 December 2005 to remember the people who died in the Indian Ocean tsunami in 2004. Around 230,000 people lost their lives in this terrible disaster. The poem says that even though the tsunami caused great destruction, human courage and kindness were stronger. The poem praises people who helped one another during the tragedy. The memorial service took place on Khao Lak Beach in Thailand. Two schoolchildren read the poem aloud, one English child and one Thai child. One of the children was Tilly Smith. She became famous because she saved many lives during the tsunami. Before the huge waves arrived, she noticed that the seawater suddenly moved back from the beach. She remembered learning in school that this is a warning sign of a tsunami. She quickly warned her parents and other people on the beach. Because of her warning, about 100 people escaped to safety. This part of the text teaches that education and quick thinking can save lives. The next section is called The Power of Words. It explains that words are very important and can greatly affect people's lives. The text gives a proverb from Madagascar: words are like eggs, when they hatch they have wings. This means that once words are spoken, they spread quickly and cannot easily be taken back. Words can influence people and travel from one person to another. Another proverb from Turkey says, kind words unlock an iron door. This means that speaking kindly can solve problems, calm angry people, and open hearts. Gentle and polite words are often more powerful than force or anger. The unit then explains the meaning of community. A community is a group of people who share attitudes, interests, culture, or goals. Communities can be small, such as a neighborhood or school, or very large, such as a country or the whole world. People in communities help each other through cooperation and shared interests. Being part of a community gives people identity and belonging. The text asks students to think and write about what community means to them. It encourages them to use words like neighborhood, membership, citizen, group, cooperation, society, shared interests, and identity. Students are also reminded to use good sentence construction, conjunctions, clauses, and punctuation while writing. The final section contains the poem Finding a Friend by Janae Clark. The poem is about a child who moves to a foreign school and feels lonely because everything is new and unfamiliar. The child cannot speak the language and does not understand the school rules. The child feels like an alien because everything seems strange and different. At first, the child experiences loneliness, fear, frustration, and confusion. The memories are dark and haunting. The child thinks the difficult days will never end. However, over time things improve. The child learns English and begins to make friends. The sadness slowly disappears. The most important moment in the poem happens when another child smiles warmly and calls the speaker by name. This simple act of kindness changes everything. The poem teaches that friendship and kindness can make lonely people feel accepted and happy. A small friendly action can completely change someone's life. The unit ends by asking students to turn the poem into a play. Students are told to think about characters, stage directions, body language, voice expression, and speech while preparing the play. This activity teaches teamwork, creativity, and communication skills. Answers of all questions. Question: What do you think the poet's words tell us about the strength of people who are drawn together to help each other out in a crisis? Answer: The poet's words tell us that people become brave and united during difficult times and help each other with courage and kindness. Question: What do you think each proverb tells you about the power of words? Answer: The proverbs tell us that words are powerful and can affect people deeply. Words can spread quickly and kind words can solve problems. Question: What does the second proverb about kind words mean to you? Answer: It means that kindness and polite speech can open hearts and improve relationships. Question: What other proverbs can you remember? What are their meanings? Answer: Actions speak louder than words, means actions are more important than promises. Honesty is the best policy, means telling the truth is always good. Question: What difficulties are experienced by the child in the poem? Answer: The child cannot speak the language, does not know the school rules, and feels lonely and confused. Question: How does the child feel at first? Answer: The child feels lonely, afraid, frustrated, and confused. Question: What happened to make things change? Answer: The child learned English, made friends, and received kindness from another student. Question: What difference do you think finding a friend makes to someone who is new to the community? Answer: Finding a friend makes the person feel happy, accepted, safe, and less lonely. Teen grammar exercises solved. Exercise: Use the following words in writing about community. Neighborhood. Answer: My neighborhood is friendly and peaceful. Membership. Answer: Membership in a community gives people support. Citizen. Answer: Every citizen should help society. Group. Answer: Our study group works together. Cooperation. Answer: Cooperation makes communities stronger. Society. Answer: Society improves when people help each other. Shared interests. Answer: Shared interests bring people together. Identity. Answer: Community gives people a sense of identity. Exercise: Use conjunctions in sentences. And. Answer: The child learned English and made friends. Because. Answer: Tilly warned people because she understood the signs of a tsunami. But. Answer: The child felt lonely but later became happy. Although. Answer: Although the school was foreign, the child slowly adjusted. Exercise: Punctuation practice. Incorrect. Kind words unlock an iron door. Correct. Kind words unlock an iron door. Incorrect. I could not speak your language. Correct. I could not speak your language. Exercise: Make sentences with clauses. Answer: When the child arrived at the new school, everything felt strange. Answer: Because Tilly remembered her lesson, many people were saved. Important MCQs with answers. Who wrote the poem read at the Tsunami Memorial Service? A. Jane Clark. B. Khuniang Chamnomsri Rutnan. C. Tilly Smith. D. William Blake. Answer: B. Khuniang Chamnomsri Rutnan. What disaster is mentioned in the text? A. Earthquake. B. Flood. C. Tsunami. D. Storm. Answer: C. Tsunami. When did the Indian Ocean tsunami happen? A. 2001. B. 2002. C. 2003. D. 2004. Answer: D. 2004. Where was the memorial service held? A. India. B. Thailand. C. Japan. D. Turkey. Answer: B. Thailand. Who was Tilly Smith? A. A poet. B. A teacher. C. A schoolgirl. D. A doctor. Answer: C. A schoolgirl. What warning sign did Tilly notice? A. Heavy rain. B. Dark clouds. C. Water moved away from the beach. D. Loud thunder. Answer C. Water moved away from the beach. How did Tilly learn about tsunamis? A. Television. B. Internet. C. School. D. Newspaper. Answer C. School. About how many people did Tilly help save? A. 20. B. 50. C. 100. D. 200. Answer C. 100. What does the Madagascar proverb compare words to? A. Birds. B. Eggs. C. Trees. D. Water. Answer B. Eggs. What happens when eggs hatch? A. They disappear. B. They grow roots. C. They have wings. D. They become stones. Answer C. They have wings. Which country is the second proverb from? A. Thailand. B. Turkey. C. India. D. Pakistan. Answer B. Turkey. Kind words unlock an iron door means. A. Kindness solves problems. B. Those are weak. C. Iron is soft. D. Words are dangerous. Answer A. Kindness solves problems. What is community based on? A. Wealth. B. Power. C. Shared attitudes and interests. D. Competition. Answer C. Shared attitudes and interests. A community can be A. Only local. B. Only global. C. Local or global. D. Only national. Answer C. Local or global. Which word means working together? A. Society. B. Cooperation. C. Identity. D. Citizen. Answer B. Cooperation. Who wrote Finding a Friend? A. John Clarke. B. Tilly Smith. C. Shakespeare. D. Dickens. Answer A. John Clarke. Where does the child in the poem feel lonely? A. At home. B. In a foreign school. C. In a park. D. In a hospital. Answer B. In a foreign school. Why did the child feel different? A. Could not run. B. Could not sing. C. Could not speak the language. D. Had no books. Answer C. Could not speak the language. How did everything feel to the child? A. Exciting. B. Foreign. C. Funny. D. Easy. Answer B. Foreign. What feelings did the child have? A. Joy and excitement. B. Anger and pride. C. Loneliness and fear. D. Confidence and peace. Answer C. Loneliness and fear. What disappeared over time? A. Happiness. B. Memories of loneliness. C. School rules. D. Teachers. Answer B. Memories of loneliness. What important thing does the child remember? A. A school trip. B. A teacher's speech. C. Someone smiling and calling the child's name. D. Winning a game. Answer C. Someone smiling and calling the child's name. What changed the child's life? A. Money. B. Friendship. C. Toys. D. Homework. Answer B. Friendship. What should students think about while writing a play? A. Cooking. B. Shopping. C. Characters and stage directions. D. Driving. Answer C. Characters and stage directions. Which skill is important in a play? A. Silence. B. Expression and intonation. C. Sleeping. D. Drawing. Answer B. Expression and intonation. What gives people a sense of belonging? A. Isolation. B. Community. C. Fear. D. Competition. Answer B. Community. What does the poem mainly teach? A. Friendship is powerful. B. Schools are bad. C. Travel is dangerous. D. Language is impossible. Answer A. Friendship is powerful. Which word means a person living in a country? A. Citizen. B. Group. C. Identity. D. Clause. Answer A. Citizen. What is the tone of the poem at the end? A. Sad. B. Hopeful. C. Angry. D. Fearful. Answer B. Hopeful. What is the main theme of the whole unit? A. War and fighting. B. Community, kindness, and helping others. C. Sports and games. D. Science and technology. Answer B. Community, kindness, and helping others.